Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video and I'll be doing a unboxing. So I have ordered some products from Gooten and I'll be unboxing them today. I do have a little bit of information about each product and then also like how long it took, and I think I have the total price. I don't have the price for each product, but bear with me. You probably saw it in the last video where I showed you how to set up a new account on Gooten and upload your first product. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So I have the products right here, so I'm not going to take a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So each product arrived separately. One said that it was from Print Labs and the other just said that it was from Shipping Manager Fulfillment Center. And they both shipped from different places, but they arrived on the same day. I don't know how that happened, but it did. So I got the laundry bag and I ordered a t-shirt. So it took about 5 days from the time that I purchased it. And then for like, I think like shipping, maybe purchase was like maybe 1 or 2 days, and then from when it said to ship to when it arrived to my house was like about 5 days. So the total cost was about $33.78. So I'm gonna pull out the shirt first, and I'm gonna make sure that if there's anything in the bag, I will bring it out and show you guys. So the only thing that fell out was I did it under Dear Military Spouse. Has my address on there, it has my order number, it has the description, it just says olive shirt medium, and then at the very bottom says thank you for your purchase, and then it has like return address. So when I first looked at the shirt, I noticed that it looked like the cream color I chose it does not stand out a lot. It looks like it has taken on some of the olive of the shirt, but I'll let you guys be the judge. On camera, it looks really good. It looks really good, but in person, I feel like I can see specks of the olive coming through the shirt. But yeah, when I turned that around and saw it on camera, it looks really good. So this shirt is District. I've seen this brand before. I can't remember who uses it, but it's 100% cotton. The feel is good. It's thick. It is a medium. I'm not going to try it on, but I did want to show you guys that. And before anyone thinks that's a spot, that's like some lint. So it's not a piece of the shirt. But the shirt looks really good. The quality feels good. That was my only spec, but I guess looking at it now on camera, you can't tell. So that's just me looking at it close up. And that's what it looks like up close. So the second product was the laundry bag. Let me see if there's anything else in this bag. Okay, so here is the laundry bag. I don't know if so here's the laundry bag there. And it basically says packing list. It did tell me it was like one of 2 shipments. So I knew it was coming separate, but I just didn't know it was coming from separate places. And it just has a ship date of the 19th of March. Says 1 laundry bag. All right, so I'm excited to check this out. And I just used my Coins and Connections logo, and I guess I don't remember what size I got, but I just got the Coins and Connections logo on it. So I'm gonna start from here. It has the drawstring here. Has this huge tag that I would probably eventually cut off. It has like a circle for the drawstring to be pulled. You see how that went? Just like that, real tight. I'll open that back up, and it has a scrap. So there's the scrap. It's like a cream color on both sides, so you can see. This is it. I just did my logo all the way across. Front and back, kind of same thing. And it's pretty thick too. It's like really thick. The stitching is done well on here as well. It's really thick. I mean, like nice. Comparable to one that I have that I got a while ago, and just until recently my scrap broke. So this reminds me of that. So this quality is really good, really good, really good. So I'm excited to just use this. I don't know when, maybe traveling, it'll be something I could pack as a traveling laundry bag. So when like we stay at hotels, like we could just put our dirty clothes in here, and this will be just like a bag we have, but really good quality. The logo came out really good, great for promotion. So I'm pleased with the products that I got for Gooten, top quality. And for both products, you know, I paid $30 something. I think I did get the artist discount, so it might be different for anyone who would go on to purchase it from the website. All in all, I rated a 9 out of 10. I'm super satisfied. Really quick shipping, quality packaging. They did let me know it was coming in 2 shipments. Again, I didn't realize it would arrive on the same day, but I'm glad it did. I have no complaints so far with the quality of the things I bought. I made sure I purchased a shirt, but I wanted to do the laundry bag because a lot of times we don't purchase different things from these websites. So I have been doing a lot of that lately just to check the quality of some of their other products. You can create a whole laundry bag business for different unique designs. So I want to be able to get you out of the box of the t-shirt, the mugs, and the journals, and start to think about other products and businesses that you create from using one product. So I'm going to give Gooten a thumbs up for their products, and I hope you guys enjoy this review and unboxing of the Gooten products that I purchased. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.